Have you ever stopped to ponder the significance of eating seasonal food? It's not just a culinary trend. Consuming seasonal foods offers a myriad of advantages. They are often packed with superior nutritional value since they are harvested at their peak. Their taste is also unparalleled, full of flavors that are enhanced by the season's conditions. Moreover, choosing seasonal food supports local farming and reduces environmental impact. So let's dive into some of the best spring foods and understand why they're a fantastic choice for this season. First on our list is the aromatic wild garlic. This springtime gem is a powerhouse of nutrition, boasting significant antimicrobial properties that can help fend off pesky germs. But that's not all. Wild garlic is also packed with vitamin C, a crucial nutrient for boosting immune system and aiding skin health. Imagine all these benefits wrapped up in a herb with a flavor that can transform your meals. Adding wild garlic to your meals not only gives a flavor boost but also provides numerous health benefits. And if you're wondering how to incorporate this herb into your meals, try making a wild garlic pesto. It's simple, delicious, and a great way to enjoy the health benefits of wild garlic. Next up is the versatile asparagus. A springtime favorite, asparagus brings more than just a burst of green to your plate. It's packed with fiber, making it great for those seeking a diet rich in this vital nutrient. Moreover, asparagus is brimming with antioxidants, helping your body ward off damaging free radicals. And let's not forget its power to aid digestion, thanks to its high content of dietary fiber. One delicious way to enjoy asparagus is to make a springtime favorite, the asparagus soup. It's light, healthy, and full of flavor. Therefore, asparagus is more than just a tasty spring vegetable and a key ingredient in a mouth-watering soup. It's a health-boosting powerhouse. Now let's talk about two other spring favorites, spinach and radishes. Spinach with its green leaves is a true nutrient powerhouse. It's loaded with iron, essential for producing red blood cells and transporting oxygen around the body. It's also rich in calcium, crucial for bone health and muscle function. But it doesn't stop there. Spinach is a fantastic source of vitamin K, helping blood to clot and supporting bone health. A recipe idea could be a fresh spinach salad. Next up, radishes. These crunchy, peppery vegetables are more than just a delicious addition to your salads. They're packed full of vitamin C, which supports your immune system and skin health. Radishes also provide a good dose of potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure, and they're rich in antioxidants, helping to protect your cells from damage. Adding radishes to your spinach salad not only adds a punch of flavor but also boosts its nutritional value. Spinach and radishes are not just vibrant additions to meals, but they also pack a nutritional punch. A spinach and radish salad can be a nutritious and tasty option for a spring meal. Let's move on to other tasty and nutritious spring foods: spring onions, watercress, and peas. Spring onions, also known as scallions, are a versatile ingredient that packs a punch in both flavor and nutrients. They're an excellent source of vitamin C and vitamin K, not to mention a good dose of dietary fiber. Next we have watercress, a leafy green that doesn't get as much attention as it deserves. This aquatic plant is a powerhouse of nutrients, boasting high levels of vitamin A and C, along with a decent amount of calcium. Finally, we have peas, a humble yet mighty vegetable. These little green spheres are a great source of plant-based protein and fiber. Plus, they're packed with vitamin A, which supports good vision and a healthy immune system. Incorporating these three foods into your meals can significantly enhance your nutrient intake this spring. Looking for a quick and easy way to enjoy these spring vegetables? Try a stir-fry with spring onions, watercress, and peas. This savory dish is not only delicious, but is also an easy way to pack in these nutrient-rich foods. Last but not least, we have the tangy rhubarb. It's a powerhouse of nutrition, packed with a variety of health benefits. Rhubarb is remarkably high fiber, which aids in digestion and promotes a healthy gut. This spring delight is also rich in vitamin K, a nutrient for bone health and blood clotting. Rhubarb is a wonderful source of antioxidants. These compounds help protect your body from damage by free radicals, supporting overall health and well-being. One of the ways to incorporate this tart delight into your meal plan is by preparing a classic dessert, the rhubarb pie. It showcases the unique flavor of this spring vegetable while satisfying your sweet tooth. From pies to sauces to refreshing drinks, this versatile ingredient can make your spring dishes sing with flavor. So, there you have it. 8 spring foods that are not just delicious but also packed with nutrients. Wild garlic for its immune-boosting properties, asparagus for its rich folate content, spinach and radishes for their abundance of vitamins, spring onions, watercress and peas for their heart-healthy benefits, and lastly, rhubarb for its digestive aid. Each of these foods contributes to a well-rounded, nutritious diet. Remember, eating seasonally is a fantastic way to enjoy fresh, flavorful foods while also supporting your health and the environment.